PANASONIC Eluga A4, and let me show you how to enter here the boot mode on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then let's use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Keep holding those two keys and you have to release them as soon as boot mode pops up. So now, as you can see, this is the boot mode. Here you can navigate by using volume up and confirm options by pressing volume down. So let me find here, for example, the recovery, fast boot and normal. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose normal, press volume down to confirm it, and the device is booting into a normal mode, so let's wait a couple of seconds. Alright, so now you can unlock the screen and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.